What percentage of the business do you see kind of more seasonal versus more, and what does the seasonality bring to the type of business, the opportunity that you have? And in terms of like the investment to get started, what's the total investment to get started with your franchise opportunity? Tell me a little bit more about your franchise business.
Poolwerx is an established brand. We've been in business over 32 years. Came over to the U.S. in 2016. We have about 80 locations here in the U.S. and we are looking primarily for empire builders. Someone with like a hub and spoke model, right? Where you can own multiple retail stores. Over 80% of all pool owners want to test and maintain their own water in their pool and take care of their own pool. So you got to have that retail store, right? For people to bring their water samples in and get that tested. But we specialize also in having the service. So we take care of your pool if you want weekly, right? We'll take the cleaning, maintaining, and also I want to really make a shout out to our northern climate customers because we are all about taking care of hot tubs as well. Big business for us, as well as cleaning. We'll winterize someone's pool, we'll open the pool. There's really not much of a downtime for us anywhere in the US.
Okay, that's great to learn because a lot of times people think that pool business is a seasonal business. And so what percentage of the business do you see kind of more seasonal versus more, and what does the seasonality bring to the type of business, the opportunity that you have?
The seasonality brings a lot of profitability to the business because you are really able to do some really expensive seasonal work like closing a pool and opening the pool. You can charge quite a bit of money for those two visits compared to, say, a whole year-long service in Miami, Florida, for example, where really there's so many people running around with a pole in the back of their truck saying they'll clean the pool for $100 a month, right? Well, in northern climates, we can actually go winterize someone's pool for about $500, let's say, and you then get to open that pool for another $500. So right there, you're almost making as much in two visits than some people make all year round in their services.
Okay, that's great. And in terms of like the investment to get started, what's the total investment to get started with your franchise opportunity?
Thank you. So your all-in investment, you're really looking at about a $350 all-in investment. That's going to cover vehicles, store, inventory, training, marketing, and all of your employee startup capital as well.
Okay, well, thank you very much. It's a pleasure learning more about your franchise. Thank you.
There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.